Uh, okay, thank you very much. Hi, how are you? I'm Martina Jankiewicz. I work as a project manager in Prozon, the Foundation for Climate Protection from Poland. And today I will tell you some few words about our business models for use of refrigerants and refrigeration and air conditioning equipment. Refrigeration and air conditioning are the essential part of our lifestyle right now, starting from the supermarkets to the industrial purpose, ending in our own houses. So the managing of the refrigeration and air conditioning equipment are pretty important for all of us. Also for the work service technicians. And today I will present you two models, two solutions for the service technicians, technicians in Poland. That supports our industry. It is economically friendly, ergonomically friendly, and good for our environment because we are making the projects based on the circular economy. And now in our first step, we are at the end of the life or the rack equipment. When the failure occurs, then technicians need to come to us, taking refrigerants from the equipment and dismantle the device. And then, of course, the next step is the transport to the processing plants. It could be also the Prozon transport. We can take from the place equipment and also refrigerants in the cylinders. And now our processing plant in Poland near Warsaw are split to the two different halls. In one, we are managing the refrigerants, and the second part of our hall is to managing the waste equipment. And these two parts of our core is built with the funding by European Commission by the LIFE program. First project is refrigerants life cycle, where we are building our demonstrative installation for the separation of waste refrigerants mixtures. Our project lasts 5 years. We formal ending this project in June this year. We are creating this with the two partners in Poland and in Czech Republic. And this is what is going on in the first hall, where we are managing waste of refrigerants. First of all, we need to transfer refrigerants from the small cylinders to the 1000 kg tanks. And then from these 1 ton tanks, we do reclamation process. Where we moving from the refrigerants acids, moisture, and solids parts. The mixtures of the refrigerants with the 5, 6 or different numbers of components, goes to this refrigerants goes to the rectification and adsorption installation. These two modules of the installation work pretty well, and with that we can separate mostly everything in the mixtures. So now installation are running, and we are still in the process of optimization. After these few steps, we do our laboratory analysis, and every batch of the refrigerants has own quality certificate. And then we of course sell these refrigerants as a reclaimed product to the market.
Yeah.
We do something with the refrigerants, and the second part of our plant is focuses on the equipment. We also do this with the project Re-Electro for Life, where we do implementation of a circular economy model for reusing of waste electronic equipment. We start last September with the 3 different partners. Also, project is mainly focuses on the industry in Poland, but we are also has activity in the Czech Republic, Slovakia, and Germany. Here we are in the Re-Electro plant. The first part of the processes is, of course, demolition of the equipment. Then we split materials to the different types, like plastics, metals, and different parts. These plastics and metals go to the other processing plants to the recycling, and the valuable parts for us are going to the reuse. These parts like compressors, engines, ventilators, and other parts. And in the next step, we do our diagnostics. So we check if these parts like compressors are still working. We check this. And with the good working parts, we are also give quality certificate with the warranty. And we want to sell this also in the e-commerce shop. E-commerce shop, online shop, of course, for the everyone in the Europe. It will be available soon, so please follow our pages to get new information from the process. Now in this project, in Re-Electro for Life project, we are at the, I think, last step of the designing process in the technology. And of course, the last step for our F-gas technician is filling and repairing the device with the spare parts from the Re-Electro plant. And now we are chilling in our own house or in the shop, in the supermarket, where we have our refrigeration and air conditioning equipment. Thank you. If you have some questions, please ask, or I invite you to our stand in Hall 7, stand 362.